Welcome back. This is Miss D again, and we are still on the second part of problem number 16. And the question is, how many calories of energy will 1 gallon of crude oil provide? On the chart over here, we do have the answer to the first section. So we are going to recall again, how do we do the steps? So always identify the given and the unknown. So for that second part of the problem, your given is 1 gallon of crude oil, and the unknown is how many calories of energy. So first step. Second step is write your beginning unit, which is gallon, and what unit do you need to end up in. In this case, you do need to end up in calories. So I put gallon, arrow to calories. Third step. Write all the possible factors that you would need in solving this problem. So on the list of conversions on your screen, you see there one possible conversion that you need is the gallon. Since you're given the gallon unit, you need to convert, you need to use, 42 gallons is to 1 barrel. So I'm going to write down the possible units here. 1 barrel is equal to 42 gallons. Okay, so what else do I need to use? So from gallon, I already have the barrel. Is there any other unit there that I could use to move on from barrel to another unit that would lead me to calories? I don't see anything there, but if you remember, there was a section on the problem that sort of gave it away, and that is 1 barrel is equal to 6 million BTUs, okay, BTUs of energy. And ask yourself, is this the unit that we wanted to end up in? And go back to your problem. It says calories. So apparently not. Look at the factors again, and I can see that there is a direct conversion between BTU and calories, and that is for every 3.4 times 10 to the 4th power BTU, there are 8.6 times 10 to the 5th power calories. All right, so here we go. We have the problem, we have the given and the unknown. We wrote the summary unit from gallon to calorie. We do have the factors, and the fourth step now is to set up. Okay, we are going to begin with the given, which is 1 gallon of crude oil, CO, initial, over 1 in this case, because it's the given. Let me just switch again to full screen. Okay. In order for me to cancel the unit gallon, I need to set up my gallon unit on the denominator so I can cancel it out. So I'm going to put 42 gallons here. 42 gal is equal to 1 barrel. Cancel gallons. Move on to the next factor. How do I cancel barrel? I can use this factor, which is 1 barrel is equal to 6 million BTU. In exponent form is 6.0 times 10 to the 6th power BTU. Cancel barrel. Move on to canceling the BTU, and therefore I can use this last factor that we have on the list, which is 3.4 times 10 to the 4th power BTU is equal to 8.6 times 10 to the 5th power cal. Cancel BTU. So far, let's double check. We have canceled all the units except for cal. Is this the unit that you wanted to end up in? And the answer is yes. So our setup is correct. Proceed now to making sure all your numbers are expressed in exponents for easier calculation. So this one will become 4.2 times 10 to the first power gallon. Okay, so what do we have here? We have 6.0 times 8.6. That will equal to, let me solve it on the paper first. So 6, 8. We are going to get 51.6. You can double check if we got the right calculation there. So 51.6 times 10. What do we do with the power? We multiply, therefore we add the power. So 6 plus 5 is 11. And the unit is coulomb. Over 4.2 times 3.4. Okay? 4.2. So we are going to get double check again for me. It's going to be 14.3 times 10, because we multiplied the power. When you multiply, you will have to add. So 1 plus 4 is to the 5th power. Okay, next step. You have to convert these numbers into proper scientific notation. So this becomes 5.16 times 10 to the 12th power. And this one becomes 1.43 times 10 to the 6th power. Proceed to your division. Equals 5.16 divided by 1.43. Okay. So remember, we are using 3 significant figures here. I'm also calculating using manual calculation, but double checking with my calculator just to be sure that you guys will get the correct answer. So you may also double check on your side if we got the correct number. So I got here 3.61, and we always, in our case, we express our answer into 3 significant digits. So 3.61 times 10, because we divided the items for our power, we are going to subtract. So 12 minus 6, we are going to get 6. And the unit here will be in cow. So that is our final answer for the second part of the question, which is how many calories are there for how many calories of energy are there for every gallon of crude oil. So for every gallon of crude oil, there are 3.61 times 10 to the 6th power calories of energy. And here you go. This is only for problem number 16 of the worksheet that you can see on your screen as well. Okay.